seen you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. If my eyes don't deceive you, like what you see, so we can skate off up out this lift and go somewhere a little more private, like back to my crib, but not on no typical shit, like playing Scrabble. I dabble with wordplay.
All right, so we just gonna jump right into this video. Y'all already know who I am, Gabrielle B. What are you talking about? What's up? So this is part 3, I believe, of my Let's Make a Wig 101 series. Okay, girl. So let's get into it. You need an adjustable strap wig cap. Like, I'm sorry, the dome caps is nice and all, but who finna keep measuring their head with the elastic band and then having so extra? Like, it's not. It's you see, no. Now this particular wig cap though, adjustable wig cap, I'm not that big of a fan with, because even though you tighten it, the strap does come like untightened. So it's another one that I will be showing in a different video later on that I love to use, and it comes with like the little hook so it stays in place, where this one doesn't stay in place. So what you want to do first is line up your lace closure with the wig cap. I usually go a little bit ahead of the wig cap just because I really don't have a specific reason why I do this. I just like, I don't know, I just feel like that's what you do. That's what you do. Now, you don't have to. You can really line it up just on top of the wig cap, but I just go a little bit ahead of it, as you can see the little bit of hair. And you want to make sure it's flat on top of this wig cap. No bumps, ladies. We do not want bumps. Gents too, because some of y'all be doing hair. We ain't gonna lie. We be doing hair out here. You be doing hair. What's up? So if you want a nice, like, flat install for anything, make sure you line it up correctly and you make sure it's flat on no bumps, none of that. You don't want no bumps, okay? We don't want rocky road on the lace closure, okay? Let's go ahead, make sure that thing is flat. Y'all see? Flat, no bumps, no humps, okay? So once you done lined everything up, I usually do just the 4 corners. You want to move the hair out the way so you can braid it up, you can clip it up, put it in the ponytail, whatever you want to do, whatever's your preference, just to line it up and get it out the way. Now, next you're going to need is a needle. Okay, hurry up and braid this closure, girl. What you doing? All right, she didn't braid the closure. All right, boom. So get your needle and your thread, and this is the technique. I hook it. The first thing, I anchor it, like, I don't know, I'm so prone to doing this when I'm doing like a sewing, where I just anchor it in the beginning. So anchoring it, that means going through just the lace and then between the thread. So you see how I just showed you between the thread, and then you're gonna sew into the wig cap, so that way it's like anchored. I hope that I explained that right. But you're always gonna hook it on, like, hook under, like, like, every time you sew, you want to go under, so do not go over. I just don't know. I've never understood overhand sewing. Like, I don't do it. I've never seen anybody do it for real. So underhand, so hooking it, and you just keep hooking all the way until you go down the side of the closure, and then when you get to the back, you go just to the center. I do this usually. I do it on both sides. So basically, I split the closure in half, go up one side, turn that corner and go to the middle, and then go on the other side and do the same thing. I do not use a full, like, go around the whole lace closure. I don't know, that's just me. It makes it smoother, lays down flat. I know it, like, and it helps with mistakes. So if I did one side and that side is right but the other side is like wonky and it's looking like bumps and stuff is coming up, I could fix it rather than having to go all the way back around. It's a technique that I use, but if it doesn't work for you, go ahead, try your hand and sew on all the way around. Or you can go up the side, and then do the back. Like, it's whatever you find comfortable, and it makes a seamless lay down closure. But I always sew underhand, so it's underhand, sew, underhand, sew, underhand, sew. Now, I'm not going to prolong this video and show y'all the other side, me doing this, because it's the same technique. It's the same thing I'm doing. Like, y'all don't need to do that. Like, this video is detailed enough. Like, it's really simple, but like, it's detailed enough. And y'all have seen me tie it at the end. So you basically put the needle through the wig cap and the lace closure, and then you do 3 loop-de-loops around the needle and pull. That's what secures a knot for me. You can do 3, 4, if you want to secure it even more after, when you're going to cut the lace, you cut a little bit up, and then you can do like 2 knots. Tie it in 2 knots if you want to. But I just do the knot because that's simple, easy, done, and I know it's secure. Okay? See you in the next video.